In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Fresha. Whether you've had a recent rebranding or you simply want to update your profile, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring your business account reflects the identity you wish to present. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to head over to your partner account on Fresha. This is where you manage all aspects of your business profile. Once you're logged into the dashboard, locate the online booking tab. This is an essential feature that not only allows for seamless interaction with your clients, but also gives you full control over your business identity. Go ahead and click on that tab. Next, navigate toward your business profile. Here you should find an option button, which usually looks like 3 horizontal dots or a gear icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, look for the Edit Profile option. Selecting this will take you to the editing interface where you can make the necessary changes to your business details. Once you're in the editing page, you'll notice a button that says Continue. Click on it to proceed. This will lead you to the Venue Essential page. This section is critical because it contains all your core business details, including your display name. Now that you're on the Venue Essential page, take a moment to review the information presented. Here is where you can finally update your display name. Enter your new business name in the appropriate field, ensuring it accurately captures the essence of your brand. Remember, this is the name all your clients will see, so make sure you're satisfied with the change. After you've typed in your new display name, scroll to the bottom of the page and look for the Save and Exit button. Clicking on this will make sure all your changes are stored safely in the system. It's really important to save your work here, as any unsaved changes might not reflect on your profile and you'd have to start over. That's it. You've successfully updated your name on Fresha. This change is instantaneous, meaning your clients will now see your new business name when they interact with your profile. If at any point you wish to revise or further edit your business details, simply return to these steps and you'll be able to make those alterations easily. I hope you found this guide simple and effective. Keeping your business identity up to date on platforms like Fresha is crucial for maintaining professional consistency and helping your clients find you with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the refreshed look of your profile.